Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're exploring 6 amazing car gadgets that will take your driving experience to the next level. From fast EV chargers to smart dash cams, air fresheners, and more. These gadgets are designed to make your ride safer, easier, and more enjoyable. If you're ready to upgrade your car, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. Introducing the G1 Level 2 EV Charger, your ultimate charging companion. Featuring adjustable current settings up to 40 amps, it lets you customize the charging experience to fit your needs and save energy. Plus, you can schedule charging times, making it easy to optimize electricity usage and cut costs. Charge your EV with ease using this Level 2 charger, delivering up to 6 times the speed of a standard charger. Whether at home, at work, or on the road, the G1 makes charging simple and convenient. Its compact design and included storage bag ensure it's ready for any adventure. Take it on trips, camping excursions, or outdoor getaways. This charger is as versatile as you are. Built to withstand rain or shine, it's your reliable charging solution anywhere life takes you. With the G1 Level 2 EV charger, power your journey and embrace your next adventure with confidence. Empower your drive today. Meet the WOLFBOX G900 Dashcam, the ultimate driving companion for safety and convenience. Installation is a breeze thanks to its upgraded USB Type-C interface and the included free 32GB micro SD card. Get started right away. Enjoy crystal clear visuals on the 12-inch UHD screen with a 2.5D smart multi-touch display, making it easy to control and navigate settings. The front camera captures stunning 4K resolution with a 170-degree view and a 360-degree rotatable lens, while the 2.5K rear camera offers a 150-degree view and waterproof durability for outdoor use. Powered by a Sony camera system, the dual WDR technology ensures powerful 4K plus 2.5K image quality and unmatched super night vision. Adjust settings quickly to get the perfect view and tailor the dashcam to your needs. Stay safe and secure with reversing assistance, fatigue driving reminders, and 24-hour parking monitoring with time-lapse recording. The collision detection system locks critical footage, ensuring you never lose important evidence. With GPS tracking, record your speed, position, and routes. Playback is seamless, whether on the dashcam or your PC Mac. The WOLFBOX G900 Dashcam is your partner for a smarter, safer drive. Elevate your driving experience with the Car Air Freshener Diffuser, your perfect companion for a refreshing journey. Crafted with solid aromatherapy, it offers 7 unique fragrances made from natural vegetable oil extracts and pollution-free flower materials, ensuring a safe and pure scent. The long-lasting fragrance is designed with health in mind, making it safe for pregnant women and infants. No harsh chemicals, just the soothing aroma of nature to purify your car's air. Setting it up is effortless. Simply unscrew the front cover and insert an aroma stick of your choice. Customize the intensity to your liking and enjoy hours of relaxing freshness. The Car Air Freshener Diffuser isn't just a car accessory. It's a step toward a healthier and more enjoyable commute. Refresh your space today. Introducing the Miracase phone holder, designed to keep your phone secure and easily accessible while driving. To set it up, simply assemble the phone holder and vent clip together. Then, rotate the knob to extend the hook, tighten it to secure the mount firmly in place. With the quick release button and adjustable foot, you can easily insert or remove your phone with one hand. The holder even features a reserved space for your charging cable, so your phone stays powered up on the go. No matter the terrain, the Miracase phone holder offers a secure grip that keeps your phone in place, ensuring a safe and convenient driving experience. Whether you're navigating, listening to music, or charging, the Miracase phone holder makes it easier to stay connected and focused on the road. Keep your car spotless with PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel, the perfect tool for detailing those hard-to-reach places. This eco-friendly lavender-scented gel is designed to clean air vents, cup holders, steering wheels, and more, easily picking up dust and dirt. Simply press the gel into cracks and crevices, and it will lift away the grime, leaving your car fresh and clean. Plus, it's reusable. Just store it in the jar after use. The PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel isn't just for cars. It's great for cleaning keyboards, electronics, and other surfaces too. Make your car care routine easier with this must-have cleaning tool. Meet the Halo Bolt 5883U Power Bank and Jump Starter, your ultimate on-the-go power solution. Jumpstart your car with ease. Just connect, push, and go. No complicated setup needed. With an impressive 58,830 mAh capacity, this portable power bank is travel-ready and carry-on approved. It features a 110-volt AC outlet and two 5V 2.4 USB output ports, so you can charge your phones, tablets, or laptop wherever you are. Need extra light? The Halo Bolt comes with a bright LED floodlight, perfect for emergencies. Whether you're on the road or off the grid, the Halo Bolt 5883U keeps you powered up and ready for anything. Jump-starting cars, trucks, SUVs, and more. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these car gadgets as exciting as I did. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and product reviews. Got a favorite gadget from today's video? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, drive safely and stay connected.